Hello. Now, here's a second video on derivatives. Let's do another example. Let's do some function. F of x is equal to, let's say, x squared divided by 2x cubed minus 5x. Okay? Let's take the derivative of f of x here. So what is f prime of x is what we want to know. Now, again, you don't have to resort to the quotient rule. You could just use the product rule by re-expressing this quotient as a product, like so. Okay? Like that. Now, f prime of x is given to us by the product rule. F prime of x is really d dx of this x squared times what we have here. And remember, this whole thing can be expressed as 2x to the third power minus 5x quantity to the negative 1 power. Plus d dx of 2x cubed minus 5x to the negative 1 times this x squared. Okay? Then we go about our merry way of calculation. I'll show you when the chain rule gets involved. Here, when we take the derivative of this guy, we get 2x, and that's it, times this 2x cubed minus 5x raised to the negative 1 power. Here, when we take the derivative of this piece, we get this negative 1 times 2x cubed minus 5x raised to the negative 2 power. And here's where the chain rule gets involved. You have to take the derivative of the inside function times d dx of the inside function, 2x cubed minus 5x. Okay? Because we already, this part took the outside function derivative. This is outside function. This is inside function. And this part in black is where the chain rule. This is all the chain rule. This is given to us by the chain rule. Okay? And we're not done yet because we still have to tack on that x squared here. This x squared, we can't forget about it. We got to bring it along there. So once we regroup the terms, we'll bring this computation over here. Okay, with some more space. I have 2x times 2x cubed minus 5x raised to the negative 1 power minus, because it's negative 1, 2x cubed minus 5x raised to the negative 2 times this x squared times d dx of 2x cubed minus 5x. So now we have to send this derivative into this piece. So when d dx operates on 2x cubed over here, we get 6x squared for the derivative of this piece. The derivative of this piece is just going to be minus 5. Okay? And now we just regroup the terms. This here ends up becoming 2x divided by 2x cubed minus 5x raised to the first power in the denominator, minus what's in the numerator is this x squared times this piece, 6x squared minus 5, all over this 2x cubed minus 5x squared in the denominator. And at this point, you can stop, or you can, give them a common denominator. This one needs a common denominator, so we'll just give it to it. This reduces to 2x times 2x cubed minus 5x minus x squared times 6x squared minus 5, all over 2x cubed minus 5x quantity squared. This is what happens when I multiply top and bottom here by 2x cubed minus 5x to give them a common denominator. So this is what my f prime of x is here. Hopefully that was elucidating. Make sure to leave any comments or questions you have